Hey, what's up guys, it's TechInfo and I welcome you to my channel. Today I will show you how to install premium apps for free, hacked games and apps on your iPhone without jailbreak. For any one of you, this is one of the best third-party app stores known as Cydia alternatives. You also get modded App Store apps. First of all, open Settings. Select Safari. Select Clear History and Website Data. This clears all the cache, so you start the installations fresh. Select Safari. Okay, click the link given in the description and you will come to this page. Select Install. Press Go. Select Install. Press Done. Press the Home button to go back. Now you can open it. Wait for a few seconds. If you see this pop-up, select OK. If you see an ad pop-up, close it from here. All the features are working as they should. If you liked this tutorial, then make sure to give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In case of any questions or problems, drop them below and I would love to help. Have a great day.